Hi everyone, it's my pleasure to welcome you once more to our second class on Microsoft Word. Remember last time we said we are going to work on how to create a secure document, how to insert watermarks on your document, how to work with tables, and also how to make references on your document. So to get started, remember you can click on the start button if you are using Microsoft Office, Microsoft Windows 2007. Just click on the start button and locate your Microsoft Word environment on this shortcut, or you can simply come on this start button and type Word. You really just type Word, it will appear here as the number one option. Or if you are using the most recent versions of Windows like Microsoft Windows 2010, 2008, and the most recent one too, you can simply press your Windows button or click on this same icon, start button, an icon that has this symbol of a window. Click on it, then use the start button to type just Word. It will automatically appear as soon as you type that phrase Word. So click on it to open, and here we are. This is not Microsoft Word, but it's loading. Please be patient. Be patient, it's coming. So this is where we are. Our recent class is this one, which we can see from this edge. But right now I want to create our very first secure document. How do we achieve that? Click on blank document. I want to write something, and this is it. This is my personal file. So I am protecting it with a password. Crystal. So this is the document I want to protect. Let me just give it a little formatting to make it look nice and neat. I would like to use some beautiful font styles, like let's say this one, and make it big. That is okay for you, it's good for me too. So when you want to secure a document, remember, please remember, when you are saving it for the first time, don't save it in a haste. First, click on the save button. Are you following? If you click on the save button, you go straight to choose the location where you want it to be saved. I want it to be saved inside my document folder. You can click on your document folder here, or preferably click on browse. When you open the browse, the document folder pages will appear here. Choose the exact location where you want it to be saved. Remember that we always save our class files inside this folder called Pascal Arena Classroom. So open it, go to our sample documents, open it too, and I will say my private file. That's the name. So now that I've typed the name, don't just rush and click on save. No, don't do that. Please come close to the save button. You notice an icon that has tools. This is the icon I'm talking about. Click on it. Then click on general options. The general options dialog box will appear asking you to encrypt this document. Encryption means to seal it in such a way that nobody can have access to it. I want to do that, and I'm going to assign a password to it. My password is 123. That is the password to open it. Password to modify, I still want to make use of the same password, 123. And then if you want this document to be read-only, meaning that when someone clicks on it, you want to make changes to it, it will ask the person to provide a password. You can click on make read-only and protect document. But if you don't want that, just leave that section alone, so that once you have typed the password accurately, someone can continue editing, or you can continue making changes on it. So as long as I've typed the password to open and password to modify, just click OK, and it will remind me again, if I'm really sure I want to do this, I should confirm my action by typing my passwords again, and that is what I just did. It will ask me once more again. I will type it, and that is it. So you can now go to your save button and click finally. We have protected this document. Let's now confirm if someone can open it without my authorization. Someone who doesn't know my password, can he really open this document? I just closed the document and you can't find it anywhere in my taskbar. So let's go to the start button and try to open it. You can click on start button, go to your document folder. When it opens, search for Pascal Arena Classrooms, and this is it, our sample document. This is it. So this is the particular document that I saved with a password. So is it really possible that someone can open it without my authorization? Let's confirm that. Double click on it and then check it out. Wow, this is lovely. You see, it's asking for a password, and I still remember that the password is 123. Click OK and type it once more again to open. This is it. If, assuming I forgot this password, there is no single way I can have access to this document forever and ever. So when you want to protect a document, be very, very careful that you can easily remember the password. Don't forget that. So we have to close this document. Let's also create another document by protecting it again, but we'll now make use of different tactics. Go to your start button, open your Microsoft Word, move straight to the environment. Still loading, please wait. It's loading. Okay, we're ready. Then I want to protect this very document again, but I don't want to repeat the same step I did previously. Though we will still find ourselves in the same dialog box where we type our password repeatedly, but there's a shorter way to do this if you are using Microsoft Office Word 2016. But if you are using older versions, you have no alternative than to always save it when you are when the display the save dialog box appears. That's the first step we took. So on the second step, let's just type something. This very document is first off, this very document is highly classified, and I don't want anyone else to have access to the information therein. And I've given it a little touches just from our previous class yesterday. Remember, you can make it underline, make it bold, then increase your font size if you want. And what else? I have not saved this for the first time. Remember, when you want to save a document with password, always do that for the very first time you are saving it, so that you don't have a copy that is open to everyone, while you now have another one that you have pretended to have saved privately. When you have such duplicate files, one protected, one unprotected, you have totally